What is up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where today we're going to go through the steps of how to create a bootable memory stick using a software called RUFUS for our Windows 10 ISO image. So for this demonstration, I'll be using Microsoft Edge to download the RUFUS software. So click on Edge or open Edge. Under the search bar, type in download RUFUS. Click on the link that says rufus.ie. On the website, scroll down to where you can see the download links for the software. Alright, now when we get here, guys, depending on your CPU architecture, choose the right software version for your CPU. So in my case, my system is a 64-bit architecture CPU. So I'll be choosing the first option. The software is pretty light, won't take long to download. So after downloading, click on Show in Folder. Here we go. Now, in this case, I've already downloaded RUFUS before, so it's not a biggie. Let's just delete the first one and then double click on RUFUS to open the software. Let's just close these guys. Here we go. Here's RUFUS. Now, make sure that you have your memory stick plugged in, and there's nothing important on that memory stick, for this software will format your memory stick for you to create the necessary files for your Windows 10 ISO image. So in this case, first things first, a couple of options to notice is that before we begin with the process of creating the bootable memory stick, there are a few options that you have to look into, especially when you get into RUFUS. In this case, the first option is device. So this normally refers to your memory stick. I have a 8 gig memory stick installed on my PC, so it's selected automatically. Underneath, you will see boot selection. Under boot selection, next to it, there is select. So click on select to select your Windows 10 ISO image. Remember, we downloaded our Windows 10 ISO image, and we open up a folder called OS file. So open OS file. Under OS file, you will find Windows 10.iso, the image that we downloaded in our previous video. So click on Windows 10 ISO. Click open. After selecting the Windows 10.iso image, a couple of options are already populated for you by the RUFUS software. You don't have to change anything, especially if you're using a new laptop or the latest version of your BIOS systems. So we will get into detail regarding the difference between BIOS versus UEFI. And then I will explain things such as MBR versus GPT, secure boot versus BIOS. So for now, leave everything as default, as RUFUS determines these are the best options for your system. So in this case, leave everything as is and then just rename your memory stick to Windows 10. Now, from this process, click on Start to begin the process to create your bootable memory stick. So click Start. Now, it will ask you a couple of options. In this case, because I want to go through everything with you guys, I'm not going to select most options, but the one that I need you to click on is this one that says Disable BitLock Automatic Device Encryption. The reason for this is that if you leave this option on, your hard drive will be locked at some point as you are using a PC, and we don't want to be locked out of our own hard drive. So in this case, click on this one that says Disable BitLock Automatic Device Encryption, then click on OK. Now, the software will ask you, or will inform you, that it's about to format all your data from your memory stick. So if you're okay with that, or if there's something that you need from your memory stick, be sure to remove it before proceeding. So in my case, there's nothing I need from my memory stick, so I'm just going to click on OK. Alright guys, I'm just going to let the software do its thing, and then I will be back as soon as the software is done. See you then. Alright guys, thanks to media editing softwares, I was able to fast forward the time, and after the software is done processing your files, you will see a message that says ready. When you see this message, just click on close. To verify the files, just go to this PC, and then under this PC, go into your memory stick. Remember, we changed the memory stick to Windows 10. So if you open your memory stick, in this case, here's mine, and then there are all your files for your Windows 10. After validating the files inside your memory stick, guys, you just have to remove your memory stick, plug it into your other computer that you want to upgrade or change the system to Windows 10, or where you want to install Windows 10. So guys, all links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Remember, each one teach one.